Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm doing a cleaning day with me. And today is Sunday, so I thought if there's one thing in my life that I'm unable to clean is this beautiful mess I call my closet. And we got some newspapers because middle class average people, a new duster, not that average, and a beautiful bucket for us. And I've got some granny pajamas and a shirt, and we have to clean all of this up. I'm gonna dust it out and we're gonna clean it all up, and this is going to be a time lapse. So I just want to show you guys how bad of a situation I'm working with right now. So if you see that, that's how bad it is right now, like so dusty, so unclean. I'm gonna show you guys the other side. This is the other side, and it's just a pure mess. This, I just can't tell you guys like how crazy I am with my closet thing though. We have to clean this all up. So what are we waiting for? Let's get into it. I'm gonna make a transaction like this. Like see, okay, and yeah, let's get started.
You say my name like it's your prayer, but I don't stay, I leave you there. One little smile, then I'm out the door. You tell yourself you don't want more. You know the rules, but you still play. Getting closer every day.
Like 2 hours, I look something like this, extremely tired. You guys saw the time lapse, and this is the time to reveal. But before I do that, let me show you guys something. Let me show you what a mess I made that I have to clean up now. Look at this. Oh my god, this is all of the stuff I need to throw, and this is just clothes I need to get inside of my closet, and it's just a mess. I don't know what to. Oh god, this just a ton of trash. I'm so tired, but let me show you. It was worth it. It was worth it. And in the middle, I did want to quit, but I did not. So, what do you guys think? I sort of cleaned. I mean, like I did a fine job. Yeah. Look at this. So pretty it looks now. I really hope I try and keep it this way, but I don't have that much faith in me. From the close-up of how this looks, look at this. Just look at this. This is so fucking clean. I love it. I wish I can keep it like this forever. I'm gonna show you guys my shoe rack. Look at this. It's looking so beautiful. Before it was just like a mess, and now it looks much better. I'm gonna show you guys the other side. I can't show you guys the up because there's some personal things there, personal garments, but look at this. Look at this. So freaking pretty. Just so pretty. Love it. I love it. This took all of me, but I'm so happy that it's over. I think I'm gonna give you guys a short little time lapse.
Habit that you just can't break.
So, with 2 bags of trash and 1 less bag, I am finally done, you guys. This was exhausting, but I feel so good because my closet is so good. Oh god, I love it. But I don't think this is gonna last even for a week. Though, it's gonna go back to its original. Because come on, this isn't real. I'm telling you, 2 days and we're done for. There will be no clean closet. But abhi ke liye, it looks fantastic. I have 2 bags of trash and a whole lot of clothes and shoes to throw out. Yeah, I'm just so exhausted, you guys. But thank you for watching this cleaning thing. Okay, bye.